Hello guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Hi everybody around the world guys. Here you are, today is Friday. Tayo mag-vlog, mag-jogging, mag-exercise. Ay. Medyo inaatake na naman sa high blood guys, kaya kailangan natin mag-exercise, mag-jogging. Samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go guys. Medyo madilim na guys. See? This is different. It's a big duck. Yan guys, joggingin natin. It's bago. Let's jogging here. Sa inyo. And duck guys. It's a big duck. See? I from the side. Side. All the way down there guys. Ito guys, ang night jogging natin, tingnan nyo, nakalayo ako. Kung saan ako nakarating guys. I feel like eating burger. I go Burger King guys. Kung saan ako narating, nandito na ako. So, ito mga kainan guys. Nagpapawis ng gusto guys. Oh, samahan niyo ako guys. Oh, may Papay, Pizza Hut. Pero sa Burger King ako guys. Diyan ako. Sa kabilang side lang. Okay. This meal. The MRT already guys. Samahan niyo ako guys. Kahit ako kung saan yung Burger King. Dito kahit even at night you can see it's very safe. Kahit mag-jogging tayo, magdamag tayo, so safe lang siya. Wala kang ganit tatapukan dito guys, kaya okay lang kahit mag-isa ka. So ano guys, dito may Decathlon, pwede ka rin mag-shopping pag gusto mo guys. Pero hindi, bili lang ako ng Burger King. Doon ako sa Burger King guys. Doon. Ayun yung Burger King. Dekat. Burger King. Dito muna ako guys. O kaya nilang magpapara sa Burger King. See you mamaya guys. Guys, magkagandahan dito kasi kahit night time lang siya. Kaya kahit anong oras ka mag-jogging dito guys, you can enjoy jogging anytime guys because it's so safe and clean. So bright. So guys, already bought my dinner today. I got my Burger King salad from Burger King today guys. Now we're going back. guys, I need to stop here for my vlog to go home. I need to jog up over there, guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, guys. Guys, please help me subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless. Good night. Bye. Love you all.